Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 1, Lesson 15. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to count on to solve addition sentences. Now, in the previous lesson, we talked about how to count on. And in this lesson, it's more about using the number sentences instead of having to use a picture. Now, whenever we count on, we know that we always put the bigger number in our head or in our brain. Okay, so let's look at this one right here. This number sentence right here. Blank equals 5 plus 1. Well, we're going to circle the bigger number. Well, we know that 5 is our bigger number. So that's the number we're putting in our brain. So put 5 in your brain. So 5 is in our brain. Now we're going to add 1. So we're going to count on 1 time. So what is 1 more than 5? Or what would be next? So we have 5. 1 more is 6. Now let's look at this next one. Blank equals 6 plus 2. What's the bigger number, 6 or 2? We know 6 is bigger, so let's put 6 in our brain. So 6, and then we're going to count on 2 times. So 6, 7, 8. Now let's look at this one. Blank equals 7 plus 3. 7 is bigger, so let's count on. We have to count on 3 times. So we know that. Remember, you need to be thinking about what comes after 7. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the last one here is blank equals 5 plus 2. So which number is bigger, 5 or 2? We know 5 is bigger. So put 5 in your brain, and we're going to count on 2 times because that's what number is right here. That's the number we're adding. So 5 is in your brain, so 5, 6, 7. All right, guys, that's it for this video.